Sanibonani-ke guys, nani niyazi ukuthi mengivela kuma-screen enu kusho khona nje ukuthi sengiphethe isigaxa sendaba. Lalelani-ke guys, angithi belokho ningibuza lapha kuyona yonke ividiyo engiyiphosta, isithini isitori sika-G Masego, uthini uG Masego, uphi uG Masego. uG Masego usebuyile guys, ubuyile umfana izolo wayenza ividiyo wathi ngiyaxolisa kumapholisa, ngiyaxolisa ku-J kubani J babizile man what Scott Maphuma, ngiyaxolisa kodwa at the end of the day ekuxoliseni kwami okusalayo u-Too Short Arebyalo usho njalo umfana uthi yes ngiyaxolisa mapholisa Scott Maphuma wonke umuntu engimthukile kodwa okusalayo ekuxoliseni kwami u-Too Short Arebyalo. Kusho ukuthi yes yena uyaxolisa ukuthi ziphume ngayo indaba ukuthi wonke umuntu eyazi kodwa kusalayo u-Too Short uyishilo into ayishilo and akayishintshi leyo. So asazi noma usensiye nge-apology noma uyasho ukuthi ngixoleleni ke ukuthi ngishilo lezi zinto kodwa kusalayo I say what I said because I was told and it's the truth. So